Hi, I'm Amanda Wooden, registered dietitian and part of your Strong4Life team. Today we're going to be making infused water. You're going to start with 6 cups of water. You're going to use 1 whole lemon sliced and ends removed, a half of a cucumber, 5 sprigs of mint and 2 sprigs of rosemary. We're going to give this a stir to kind of muddle the herbs. You're going to take this and put it in the fridge overnight or for 8 hours and serve it over ice water. As temperatures rise this summer, it's important to stay hydrated. For more tips and resources, visit the Strong4Life Hub on CareForce Connection.